Are you looking for the most affordable university in Canada for international students? Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will be listing down top 10 affordable universities in Canada for international students. Watch this video till the end as we will also be calculating the cost of living in Canada. We keep creating informative videos related to study abroad. So hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to get a constant update. Depending on what you intend to achieve or what you are looking for, you may want to select from the list of most affordable universities in Canada for a master's degree that I have compiled below so that it best fits your needs. However, the country's reputation for friendliness, pristine wilderness, and world-class universities has led to Canada becoming one of the world's most popular destinations for international postgraduates, with number rising steadily each year. So here are the top 10 most affordable universities in Canada for international students. Tuition fee in Canadian universities for international students varies considerably based on the level of study and the course of study. Art-related courses are cheaper than science-based courses. First is Brandon University. Location is Brandon, Manitoba. For international undergraduate tuition, it varies from $1,900 to $17,000. And for international graduate tuitions, it varies from $1,900 to $8,000. It is one of the most affordable universities in Canada, known for establishing a positive relationship with international students. Brandon University also offers one-to-one professor interactions and research opportunities not available at larger universities. Second is University of Northern British Columbia. Location is Prince George, British Columbia. For international undergraduate tuition, it varies from $2,400 to $14,000. For international graduate tuition, it varies from $2,000 to $9,000. UNBC provides outstanding undergraduate and graduate learning opportunities that explore cultures, health, economies, science, and the environment. Third is Dalhousie University. Location Halifax, Nova Scotia. For international undergraduate tuition, it varies from $4,500 to $8,000. For international graduate tuition, it varies from $10,000 to $29,000. Dalhousie University is strategically located in one of the friendliest cities in the world, attracting more than 19,000 students from around the world. Fourth is University of St. Boniface. Location is Winnipeg, Manitoba. For international undergraduate tuition, the fees varies from $7,400 to $8,100. University de St. Boniface also offers low and affordable tuition fees for international students. It is very convenient for those who speak a certain level of French that meet their minimum requirements. Fifth is University of Guelph. Location is Guelph, Ontario. For international undergraduate tuition, the fees varies from $12,000 to $18,000. For international graduate tuition, the fees varies from $6,500 to $12,000. International students at Guelph will receive special assistance at the university with visa applications, English language study, housing, and have access to an advisor specially for international students. Sixth is Simon Fraser University. Location is Burnaby, British Columbia. For international undergraduate tuition, the fees is $1,030 per unit. And for international graduate tuition, the fees varies from $6,800 to $11,600. Simon Fraser University is one of the leading universities in Canada. Their tuition is also affordable when compared to other top institutions in the country. They have campuses in British Columbia's largest municipalities, Vancouver, Burnaby, and Surrey. Tuition fees for international undergraduate and graduate students vary considerably based on the program of study. 7th is Memorial University of Newfoundland. Location is St. John's, Newfoundland. For international undergraduate tuition, the fees is $11,460. For international graduate tuition, the fees varies from $6,300 to $17,900. The university warmly welcomes and encourages international applications. It also offers specialized services for international students such as student advising and internationalization office and international student groups. 8th is University of Saskatchewan. Location is Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. For international undergraduate tuition, the fees varies from $1,700 to $2,600 per 3 unit. For international graduate tuition, the fees is $6,730. The University of Saskatchewan is one of the top research-intensive medical doctoral universities in Canada and is home to world-leading research in areas of global importance such as water and food security and infectious diseases. It has over 80 master's and doctorate degrees, specializing in research and medical fields. 9th is Canadian Mennonite University. Location is Winnipeg, Manitoba. For international undergraduate tuition, the fees is $17,000. For degree programs, 3 and 4-year BA, BSc, BBA and Master's program. An international student, including the US, taking full-time 24 credit hours courses, living in the dormitory, using the full meal plan and paying for required health insurance fees can expect to pay about $17,000. That is Canadian dollars. 10th is University of Calgary. Location is Calgary, Alberta. For international undergraduate tuition, the fees varies from $2,000 to $3,700 per 3 units. For international graduate students, the fees varies from $8,000 except thesis to $29,000 thesis based. The University of Calgary is one of the best top universities in Canada. They offer course-based and research-based master's and doctorate degrees in a variety of subjects. Tuition fees for undergraduate programs are charged based on per unit. Let's also check out the cost of living in Canada for international students. Just like every developed country, the cost of living in Canada varies considerably depending on location. Many large metropolises are extremely expensive and unaffordable for many students. However, there is still some areas where international students can live under a strict budget. Below is a breakdown of the average student living cost in Canada. Housing, $250 to $800 Canadian dollars. Internet, $50 to $70 Canadian dollars. Basic utilities, electricity, water, heat, garbage, etc. $150 Canadian dollars. Food, $300 Canadian dollars. Transport pass, $90 Canadian dollars. Note that the Canadian government requires that an applicant show proof of having 10,000 Canadian dollars on top of tuition for a student visa. However, you will likely need more. Furthermore, international students can also enroll in several tuition-free universities in Canada. So that was all about this video. We have a full playlist related to study in the US and Canada. Go check them out by clicking on the I button now. You can also drop a visit on our website leapscholar.com. We specialize in providing one-on-one guidance and mentoring to students who wish to pursue their education abroad. You can schedule a free call with our experts to know more. I hope this helps. Good luck and take the leap.